Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to place a video inside a text like the one right here. Alright, stick around and I'll show you how to do it. Here we go. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel guys and turn your notification bells on. Here goes. First thing you want to do is you want to get a text in here. So you go to titles, you go to text 41 or whatever text that you prefer to use. You double click on it, go to advanced, and at the top you're going to put the text in. So I'm going to put help, but I'm going to change it to a different font style like the impact, and I am going to change it to about 150. Put it out, or maybe 200. It's a little bigger. Then I'm gonna put the space like that. Make sure that it's in the middle. I'll put it as caps instead, all caps. Help. Okay. And click OK. And then what you have to do is you're going to export this as a video. So I'm exporting it. Alright, once you're done exporting the video, import it inside of Filmora, and you could put it in the same area where the text is. Delete text because it's now a video, as you can see here. It's going to be called help. And then I'm going to get a stock video and download it from Pixel, and let's put this in layer 1, put this in layer 2, and ensure that the video that you'd want to place the text inside is in layer 1 and that the text is in layer 2. So now we're gonna double click on the text, go to a video, compositing, and then multiply and play. And there it is. All right, so let's cut this out. There it is, guys. Thank you for watching. Please let me know what I could do to help you guys out. Let me know what you want to see me create, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and leave all comments in the comment section. Until next time guys, I'll see you soon.